The real impact of introducing a simulation framework or a multiphysics simulation platform like Ansys was that instead of just focusing on whether it works, they could actually design to its intended limit rather than just designing it heavy to survive and rely too much on hand calculations. Additionally, they were also able to not just design for like a lighter weight and just make sure it survives the harsh environments. It could also, through system based tools like Ansys SDK and ODTK, they were allowed to precisely uh, you know simulate the automated maneuver planning and collision avoidance as well, and which is essential for like last mile delivery services such as this. They were basically able to account for mission control as well as the standard structural reliability and weight reduction into their workflow. And that was an absolute game changer in this case.